this is Sam from 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐵𝐞.com. Today I'm making a video of this S510P Hijet. Now this one is a jumbo cab, so it's got extra extension on the back of the cab. Quite useful, you can put bags and stuff in the back and still use the two seats with no problem. Also the deck goes underneath the back of there, so you can still put long planks and stuff on the back of the deck. You see that the sides here, they fold right down, so you can load it with a forklift. It's a 3-side drop. These sides also come off as well, as I mentioned before. Just undo this nut here, you slide the sides off. This one's got the same here, so you can take it off completely if you need to. I'll just lift these sides up. You'll notice I can do this all one-handed. It's pretty easy. Lightweight, but still strong. There we are, the sides are up now, and you'll notice this truck's a little bit higher than normal. This one's been lifted up 3 inches and put some different wheels and tyres on with mud terrain tyres. You could probably fit bigger wheels on there. These are 23 inch, probably you could fit 24 inch total diameter on there with the wheel and tyre. I think that will go on okay. You'll notice this one's got a light on the back, working area light. It's also got front fog lights with the chrome surrounds. It's a brand new truck, so nice clear headlights. It's also got these cameras in the front here. These are pre-crash safety system that this truck has, and what it does is if you approach another vehicle from behind quickly, it puts on the brakes, slows you down, starts beeping, all that kind of thing. So this is available. There's plenty of these trucks here if you'd like one of these, or you'd want to become a distributor in the US for us. Have a look on our website, you'll see there's a lot of information on there. That's 𝐦𝐨𝐵𝐞.com. Thank you very much for watching.